Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Wi-Fi problem if your Wi-Fi is not working in your Realme smartphone. How you can fix this problem. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open settings and then go to additional settings. Swipe down, you can see there is a backup and reset option. Go to reset phone, and here it is a reset network and Bluetooth, and here it is reset all settings. You can see, you can, when you just click on it, it reset your Wi-Fi settings. When you just click it, and your Wi-Fi is working normal. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.